Okay, here is a test that shows the problem with the 502T batteries. I've got one battery charger socket, as you can see, is spliced into a JST balance connector, and I've got a couple of voltmeters hooked up to it. So I'll try to plug in this one-handed plug in this battery. Ain't gonna work, so I'm gonna have to put it over here to plug in the battery. And notice this particular battery, you get nothing off of one side of it. Okay, now when we pull that battery, and plug in this other battery, which just came off my iMac B6 charger, which is sitting back there, you'll notice that both cells are connected. So that battery right there, the connector on the end of it is the problem, because I've tested it in all four of my charger sockets, and that is the problem, the battery connector.